Hi, my name is Sarah Johnson. I'm a former classroom teacher and currently work as an educational consultant. I'm here today to share with you Focused Reading Intervention. This practical, easy-to-use intervention resource supports students in grades K through 8 as they build their literacy skills. All of the lessons in each kit focus on the most important grade level skills for that grade. So let's take a look. All right, I'm going to start with the teacher's guide because this is really your roadmap to using focused reading intervention. Inside is professional learning support, as well as pacing guides and information on how to use all of the resources inside this kit. This also contains the lesson plans. Now, as a former classroom teacher, what I love about the lesson plans is that they all follow the same structure, which makes it super easy for me to use with my students. They all start out with word work, a warm-up, as well as language and vocabulary, and then move to a whole group lesson. In the whole group lesson, you'll see activities for before reading, during reading, and after reading, which all follow the gradual release of responsibility model to support our struggling readers. After the whole group lesson, you'll see that there are a variety of other activities to support the focused skill in the lesson, including writing, fluency practice, progress monitoring checks, as well as robust differentiation to support either reteaching, reinforcing, or extending the learning found in the lesson. So that's the teacher's guide. Next is the assessment guide. So when it comes to intervention, we know it's really important to make sure that we're using the right lessons with each of the students in our classroom. So inside this resource, you'll find a pre-test as well as a post-test to help diagnose which lessons are needed for your students and see how they're doing over time. All right, next, let's take a look at the student guided practice book. Your students will love using this resource. All of the activity pages found support the content in the lessons and are super engaging, full color activities. There's graphic organizers, great word work, and as you can see, there's also a full color version of the text for each lesson. What I love about this resource is that there's a great balance of engaging informational text as well as literary text with a variety of text types, as well as cross-curricular content that your students will love. All right, next let's take a look at the games. There are 3 game boards in every grade level, and everything you need is found inside this zip top baggie, whether it's game chips or cards, a number cube, as well as the directions and the game board. So it makes it easy to use. There are 3 of those. And in addition to those 3 games, you also get 3 digital games found in the digital resources. And those digital games support the learning that's found inside the kit as well. Also included in the digital resources are student activity pages, as well as digital versions of all of the assessments that are found in the resource, as well as a professional audio recording of all of the texts so that students can listen to the text as well as read along during the lesson. So that's Focused Reading Intervention. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me as we unboxed Focused Reading Intervention. Take care.